Here's how to add a device to Google Find My Device, which is also known as Google Find Hub. So this setup allows you to track the device from other devices or the Google Find device website. On the device, you need to go ahead and open your settings and scroll down and select Google or Google Services. Note the Google account listed, as this is the account that will be used for tracking. Ensure that you're signed in with your correct account, and then tap on All Services tab in the right. You'll get this option under Personal and Device Safety. Go ahead and tap on that, and make sure the Allow Device to be Located option is turned on. Now you can sign in to the same Google account on another device or the Find My Device website to track the device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.